認識に成功。機体が離陸した。離陸
That would always be enough. But were we just two kids with nothing else to do? A little money in our pockets in a hurry to say I love you. Swear the days last forever, never thinking about the end. As long as we were together, we could make it through anything. Now I gotta see you all through town, standing next to him. Does he know all your secrets? Could he tell you all your dreams? I still remember when all we had was us. I thought that would always be enough. But were we just two kids with nothing else to do? A little money in our pockets in a hurry to say I love you. Swear the days last forever, never thinking about the end. As long as we were together, we could make it through anything. But I knew my heart's in trouble with you. Out the door, we set a spark in motion. Could have been a flame, light up the skyline, watch it fall away. Yeah, it could have been the real thing. Could have been the real thing. And now we got ghosts to remind us both how we came so close. But I love the feeling you love leaving. I guess that we were just two kids with nothing else to do. A little money in our pockets in a hurry to say I love you. Swear the days last forever, never thinking about the end. As long as we were together, we could make it through anything. But were we just two kids with nothing else to do? A little money in our pockets in a hurry to say I love you. The days last forever, never thought about the end. As long as we were together, we could make it through anything. But I knew my heart's in trouble with you. You were always out the door. We set a spark in motion. Could have been a flame, light up the skyline, watch it fall away. Yeah, it could have been the real thing.